بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. الطلبة الأعزاء، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، وأهلا ومرحبا بكم في هذا المحور السادس من مادة Engineering Drawing 2 والذي بعنوان Basics of Assembly Drawing. Topics of this chapter are the following. We will start by introduction. Next, we will present detailed drawing, and finally, we will present assembly drawing practices. First part, introduction. Working drawing is a set of drawing used during the work of making a product. Working drawing details contain detailed drawing and assembly drawing. Detailed drawing is a multi-view representation of single part with dimensions and notes. Then assembly drawing is a drawing of various parts of machine or structure assembled in their relative working positions. The purpose is the following. Detailed drawing conveys the information and instruction for manufacturing the part. Assembly drawing conveys, first, completed shape of the product. Next, overall dimensions. Third, relative position of each part. Fourth, functional relationship among various components.